If you look at the number of meals you have through the week, considering you have 3 meals in a day and 7 days in a week, that comes up to 21 meals. 21 times you have to decide what to eat. Now, I suggest my clients follow the 80% rule. 80% rule says that 80% of the time, take care of your body, give it what it needs, thus allowing you the freedom to do whatever you want for the rest of the 20%. If I'm looking at 21 meals in a week, that means about 17 meals ate right, giving me the freedom of eating 2 to 3 meals outside, 3 to 4 meals actually outside, and I don't have to worry about. Now, the problem is a lot of our homes is also not healthy. We use a lot of butter, ghee, oils, and stuff like that, which is still not healthy. If you can just start tweaking that, start eating healthy at home, it gives you so much more freedom to eat food outside the way you want to eat and don't have to necessarily worry about health. If you're fighting a disease and you want to reverse a disease, yes, you want to be a little bit more consistent, but for just maintenance, you should be able to eat food outside and still stay healthy. Hope this helps.